Hi, I'm Paul Church, PHS Property Maintenance Limited in Crawley. I'm a member of Expert Trades. Had a website for approximately a year now. Excellent, no grumbles, really happy. Really straightforward, to be fair. I had Matthew pretty much run me through it all. I never had a website before. I think the best way of explaining it is quite old school, so everything was word of mouth, etc. I know the day and age that we live in now, obviously everything's internet based, so I took the leap and went forth, and yeah, not looking back, it's been excellent. Literally days, things were coming back and forth. The communication was brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Some bits I agreed with, some bits I didn't. I didn't want it based just in one area, so just basically where I'm based, Crawley, I wanted to sort of venture out a bit. So we just had a couple of bits that had to be changed, and wording as well, just a few words changed. All our certificates are on there, which is excellent because it's not now, as it's always been in the past, when you work for someone, you're having to take your insurance, send your insurance, everything's in one place. It's so simple. Customer can just log on, everything's there in view. You've got photos, you've got your certification. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. Yeah, when it comes to amendments and things like we've had in the past, just the wording, etc., just an email, literally 5 minutes, an hour at the most, you've got a reply, all changed with a link. So it's there, you just log on, have a look. It's really straightforward. I'm not going to say that I have to do anything because I made it crystal clear from the offset. I'm not internet friendly, and Facebook, yeah, because everyone's pretty much, but I don't really know sort of the ins and outs. But I've done nothing, literally nothing. Open an email, click on the link, and wow, it's all there. And the feedback that I've had from it, excellent, absolutely excellent. I think I was quite lucky. So within going live a couple of days, I had a text message come through to say that someone had messaged me on the website. So that was a new experience. I wasn't quite sure how that was going to run. Really simple. Again, click on the link, the review was there. I won't go into mass depth or say the company name or anything. It's been hugely beneficial. It's paid for the website 10 times over, and the bond that I've got with the customer is absolutely brilliant. It's not just a website lead. It's not. I've built quite a good bond with this customer, and a lot more has come out of it. It's given me some really good experience as well. I'm sitting on the internet quite a lot now, so I feel confident within the sense that I can pretty much do anything on there now. I can change what I want, I can do what I want, I can add, take away, and it really boosted the business. So I would highly recommend it, as I do. I recommend it to everyone. When it was being recommended to me, I'll just be honest and yeah, whatever. It's the internet. Everyone's got websites. You can download these cheapy ones and make your own, and then look at the quality. And you know, I'm not going to say I never did try that, because I did, but yeah, wake up. It's there. If you really want to boost your business and you want to look professional, we all know who to ask.